The Weihrauch HW44 is a technical and design masterpiece in the world of pre-charged pneumatic air pistols. The Weihrauch team in Germany has managed to combine high power and accuracy in an elegant, lightweight package. The pistol is internally regulated, ensuring consistent velocity and high shot count. The rifle delivers 30-plus shots in .177 caliber and 20-plus shots in .22 caliber. The Weihrauch HW44 is a compact, lightweight powerhouse packed with features like a Picatinny scope and accessory rail, an ambidextrous grip, built-in pressure gauge, and open sights. Mount a red dot sight or full rifle scope to this pistol to really stretch its wings and reach distances you didn't think possible with an air pistol. A specially fitted sound moderator reduces the report to a whisper, making this a backyard-friendly air pistol. The sound moderator is also removable, making the pistol field target competition compliant. The HW44 comes with a brilliant match-grade fully adjustable trigger and two 10-shot magazines. The HW44 is a true companion in the field, the perfect choice for a day's worth of fun. Get your Weihrauch HW44 PCP Air Pistol at Airguns of Arizona today.